Hi you guys, welcome to Math Mondays with Mathology Tutoring. I'm here and I'm going to show you how to do order of operations, and I'm going to do it in a free tutorial. So let's get started. We're going to learn how to evaluate expressions by using the order of operations. And we're going to do this by using PEMDAS. So let's go ahead and see what PEMDAS is all about. The first thing you're going to do with PEMDAS is you're going to look and see if you have any parentheses. So these are just regular parentheses, these are called brackets, and these are called braces. Parentheses can also be grouping symbols. Next, you're going to look and see if you have any exponents. So in 5 squared, the number raised to a power is called the exponent. And what that means is we're multiplying 5 by itself 2 times. It does not mean that we're multiplying 5 times 2, which is 10. So 5 squared is 25. Next, we're going to look and see if we have any multiplication or division. If we do, we're going to go from left to right. And then we're going to look and see if we have any addition and subtraction. And if we do, we're going to go from left to right. So we're going to do whichever one comes first. If multiply comes first, we're going to do that. If division comes first, we're going to do that. All right, so let's go ahead and look at 2 examples. So let's look at example 1. Example 1 says 8 divided by 2 times 6 plus 6 squared. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look and see if we have any parentheses, and we don't. So I'm crossing that out. Then we're going to go for the exponent. In this case, we do have an exponent. 6 squared is 36. So I'm going to bring everything else down. I'm going to bring down the 8. I'm going to bring down the division sign, the 2, the times 6, and the plus sign. Then, I don't have any parentheses, I don't have any exponents in this example, but I do have multiplication and division. So I'm going to do whichever one comes first. So I'm going to do the 8 divided by 2, which is 4, and I'm going to bring down everything else. Then I still have multiplication, so 4 times 6 is 24, and then I'm going to add, it's 36, then I'm going to add 24 plus 36, and I get 60 for the answer, right? Now I'm going to look at example number 2. Example number 2 says 48 divided by 3 times the quantity of 2 plus 4. So first I'm going to look and see if I have any parentheses, and I do. So I'm going to do that first. 2 plus 4 is 6, and I'm going to bring everything else down. I'm going to bring down the 48. I'm going to bring down the division sign. I'm going to bring down the 3. And this means multiplied 3 times 2 plus 4. So I put a times symbol there. And since 2 plus 4 is 6, I don't need to do anything else with that. I have no exponents. So now I'm going to look next for multiplication and division. And since I do have both of those, I'm going to do whichever one comes first. So I'm going to do 48 divided by 3. And that's 16. And I multiply 16 times 6. That's the only operation that's left. And that's 96. So 96 is our final answer. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. That concludes our video on Math Mondays with Mathology Tutoring, and I will see you next Monday.